The Union Cabinet, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, approved the increase in the minimum support prices for 14 kharif crops including jowar, bajra, tur, arhar, ragi and urad for marketing season 2025-26. The Cabinet also approved the continuation of the modified interest subvention scheme for the financial year 2025-26 with existing 1.5% interest subvention. The construction of 4-lane Badvel-Nallore corridor with a length of over 108 kilometers at a cost of more than 3,650 crore rupees in the state of Andhra Pradesh on National Highway 67, and 2 multi-tracking projects across Indian Railways in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh with a total estimated cost of 3,399 crore rupees approximately were also approved by the Cabinet. Union Minister of Education Dharmendra Pradhan attended the concluding session of Conclave on AI in Education organized by the Center of Policy Research and Governance in New Delhi. The minister said that artificial intelligence is not just a technology, it's a force multiplier, a catalyst for innovation, and a bridge between empathy and technology. He further said that the time has come for human intelligence of Bharat to lead the AI revolution. Union Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, New and Renewable Energy Prahlad Joshi chaired a stakeholders meeting on dark patterns at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. The minister said that dark patterns have been deployed by certain firms to enhance business in violation of the Consumer Protection Act. Business should enhance based on trust. Hence, it is vital to uphold consumer rights. He also added that together we will create a marketplace that respects and protects every citizen's rights and interests. Union Minister of State of Ayush and Health and Family Welfare Pratap Rao Jadhav chaired the meeting of the Interministerial Committee on Preparations for the 11th International Yoga Day 2025. The minister said that this year, in-depth discussions were held on making the event more inclusive, innovative and global. He also stated that the goal is to take yoga to every home, every heart. Chief of the Army Staff General Upendra Dwivedi conferred Veteran Achievers Award upon 4 distinguished veterans in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. The veterans honored are involved in a wide variety of activities, which include providing education and shelter to orphans and underprivileged girls, offering free legal aid to defense personnel and civilians, managing and sustaining old age homes, supporting marginalized communities as well as actively supporting veterans' welfare and encouraging youth to serve in the armed forces.